If you're looking for a quick and easy treat, I've got just the thing for you. We're going to add our chocolate protein shake to a magic bullet. This is my personal favorite, but you can use whichever chocolate protein shake you prefer. Next, we're going to add 1 sliced frozen banana. Very important that it's frozen. This gives it the creamy texture of a milkshake. This ingredient is optional. It just adds micronutrients to the shake. And this is my personal favorite brand, Juice Plus. And for our official third ingredient, we're going with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. If you cannot do peanuts, you can substitute with almond butter or sunflower seed butter, whatever you prefer. From here, we're just going to screw the lid on tight and then give it a little shake before we pop it into the base and start to blend. Let it blend for about 30 to 60 seconds. You just want it to get as smooth and creamy as possible. Now it is time to devour. Pour it into your glass. Drink it with a smile because this literally tastes like a chocolate peanut butter banana milkshake. My kids love it. If the shake itself is not enough, you can pair this with a black bean brownie. You are drinking a chocolate milkshake with a brownie. It does not get much better than this. And it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and plant-based. See you next time.